Hi, I'm Hanbit, and I'm a pastry chef from Korea. Hi everybody, it's Hanbit here. I have finally opened my shop, Wonder Cookies. Ta-da! Right, come on in. I'll show you. So just before we start the tour, let me show you the before and after. So this is before the construction. And this is during the construction. Finally, this is the completed store. Once you enter the shop, on the right-hand side, you'll see what we call a concept zone. And it's basically a really nice kitchen, a cute kitchen. It's got everything you need. It's got a really antique oven, a stove oven, and you'll see all these ingredients, right? And it's super, super cute, and you'll love it. You'll take thousands of pictures here. And on the opposite side, you'll see a mirror. Hello! Yeah, and yeah, it's January, so I'm going to remove the tree soon. And now we're heading towards the cookies. So today we've got, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We've got 13 cookies. And we'll usually have 12 to 13 different cookies, and they're all super, super delicious. I've spent months perfecting the recipe, so I'm sure you'll love it. And yes, I've got these merchandise. Look at these key rings, stickers, dessert tray, cups, mugs, books that I've signed, and the bags, t-shirt, and masking tape. Super cute, right? I'm sure you'll love them. And I've got coffee as well. So yeah, what do you think? And yes, actually our front yard is even prettier. So if you look here, apparently that's me. Yeah, that's me. And yeah, that sort of looks like me, right? And so you can take photos. Yeah, it's a photo spot. And then on this side, you can sit on the bench right there. And yeah, another photo spot right there. So yes, this is my shop, my brand new shop selling cookies. I'm sure you'll love it. Come and say hello. I'll be here pretty much all the time. So where are we located exactly? Wonder Cookies is located in Bukchon, which is where the Bukchon Hanok Village is. It's a popular tourist destination, and you're most likely to visit Bukchon Hanok Village when you come to Seoul. You will see our store as you walk towards Bukchon Hanok Village from Angok subway station. Well, we've opened now and selling delicious cookies, so hope to see you soon. Thank you very much. 감사합니다. For more YouTube videos, please click here. If you want to take a step further with your baking and pastry, then please visit my website on www.hanbitcho.com. Thank you very much. 감사합니다.